Hi, I'm Katie Nobles.
And I'm disability attorney Michael Leiner.
And you're watching The Bottom Line. Today's topic, Do's and Don'ts of Disability Hearings, Part 2. Michael, you're giving all of your great tips to all of our followers out there about disability hearings. So Part 1 was keep it short and sweet. What is tip number 2?
Tip number 2 that I want to get across to people who are watching this series has to do with the importance of not being afraid to be yourself in a disability hearing. What I mean by that is when I'm preparing clients for their hearing, Katie, my clients will say to me all the time, I'm really nervous that I might cry, or what happens if I need to take a break because it's too emotional, or I'm in too much pain that I need to stop the hearing. Don't forget what this hearing is. This is a disability hearing. You're going before a disability judge, and so there really is no shame, or don't be too prideful if you need to cry, or you need to show some emotion in your hearing. This is a big day. And I know I've said that in a lot of the different posts that we've done, but anybody would understand that. And truthfully, I think that when people do show emotion in their hearings, and they do show their true selves, it adds character, it adds flavor to the case. I don't want my clients to try and win an Emmy or an Oscar when they're in the middle of their hearing. You don't get points for acting or trying to embellish your symptoms, because at the end of the day, your medical records have to match your story. But who wouldn't show emotion and cry or feel anxious about this big day and all of the different pain or depression or anxiety that they're having, which is what this entire hearing is about. So, a big tip that I think I really want to get across to people that are watching this is just don't be afraid to be yourself. It's okay to cry. It's okay if you need to pause the hearing because you're in too much pain and maybe you just need to take a break, get a drink of water, and judges will understand that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Michael. And we're going to be giving you all of these tips throughout the series and also answering your questions. Visit our website, leinerlegal.com, to submit your question. And of course, you can always do that on all of our social media profiles.